Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video that we added to a 2020 Mini Cooper John Works. And you can see right now we are on interface mode. By holding the back button we can go back to the factory mode, and this screen basically is a touch screen, or you can use the iDrive knob. So you can use the touch screen too. The way that we activate the sound from our interface, these vehicles, they don't come with the auxiliary input, but we have one adapter that basically translate USB to aux, so we can have sound through the screen. So it retains all the factory functions. Whatever you have, it retains it by clicking on music. You can select USB aux, and then the sound will be activated, and then we can go back, hold the back button, it goes to our Android side. The reason this customer came to us, this car is fully loaded even with heads-up display, navigation, everything except Android Auto, and Mini dealer said they cannot do anything to add Android Auto to it, so that's why he came to us, so he can do Android Auto also. So customer asked to connect his phone to the screen, and right now by USB we can connect the Android phone to the USB that it comes with our unit, and we can basically mirror whatever is playing from the phone on the screen. And we can do Android Auto as well. Also, if you download movies on USB,
he's my enemy.
His name is Safin.
And what does he want?
Revenge.
you can play video through the USB full screen.
It'll be the death of you. You can imagine why I come.
Even I go to drive, still
There's a
playing.
young lady in Santiago I want you to meet.
You're late.
When you're ready. Ready? Salute. I met your new 00. She's a disarming young woman.
I get why you shot him.
This is our only chance. We have to take it.
The unit retains the factory camera, or if it doesn't have camera, you can add backup camera. And I can go back to the main menu of Mini. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.